Good day everyone, this is Muhammad Ali Sultan and welcome back to Sir Zen's channel. Okay, let us solve some mathematics problem. Age problem, number 9. A man is 3 times as old as his son now. 4 years ago, the sum of their ages was 36. Find the man's age now. Letter A, 33. Letter B, 29. Letter C, 11. Letter D, 36. Okay, so tingnan muna natin yung ating given. So, meron tayo ditong 3 times as old as his son now. Tapos, meron din tayong 4 years ago that is subtracted by 4. Then, the sum of their ages was 36. So, hinahanap dito is yung edad ng man ngayon sa kasalukuyan. Okay? So, ang gagawin lang natin is mag-let tayo. So, di natin alam yung edad ni son. So, gawin nating x yung edad ni son ngayon. Okay? Let x as son's age now. And dahil sa x yung edad ni son, 3 times ang edad naman ni man. Okay? So, para makuha natin at saka maintindihan natin ng mabuti, gagawan natin ito ng table. Okay? So, age now, tapos son at saka man. So, edad ni son ngayon is x. Ang edad naman ni man ngayon is 3x. So, 4 years ago, ibig sabihin, mag-subtract tayo ng 4 kasi 4 na taon na ang lumipas. Okay? So, that would be x minus 4 and 3x minus 4. So, sinabi din dito sa ating stem, 4 years ago, the sum of their ages was 36. Ibig sabihin, itong kukunin natin na 4 years ago, itong x minus 4 at saka 3x minus 4, kapag pinag-add down natin yan sila, ang sum niyan is 36. So, isulat natin yan siya in mathematical statement. Okay? So, meron tayong 3x minus 4 plus x minus 4 is equal to 36. Yan yung sinasabi doon sa ating second sentence, sa ating stem. Okay. So, i-simplify lang natin yan siya. So, sa 3x minus 4, alisin lang natin yung ating parenthesis. Tapos, itong plus dito, i-distribute natin sa naka-parenthesis. So, plus positive multiplied by x, that is plus x. Positive multiplied by negative 4, that would be negative 4. And then i-copy natin yung 36. Ngayon, gawin natin dito is combine like terms natin. Okay? So 3x at tapos x. Then meron din tayo dito negative 4 at saka negative 4. So gagawin natin, i-combine lang natin. So para ma-combine, i-add lang natin yan sila. 3x plus x, that is equal to 4x, di ba? And then negative 4 minus 4, that would be negative 8. Okay? So, i-copy lang natin yung 36. Ngayon, mag-add both side tayo sa both side, sa kaliwa at saka sa kanan. Okay? Para mawala itong negative side, itong negative 8 sa left side. Okay? So, mag-add lang tayo ng positive 8 both sides. So, ngayon, dahil sa nag-add na tayo, makakancel na itong nasa left side na negative 8 at saka ng positive 8. Kasi kapag pinag-add natin yan siya, magiging 0 lang yan. Okay? So, matira lang dyan is 4x. So, dito naman sa kabila, 36 plus 80, that 36 plus 8, kapag pinag-add natin yan sila, magiging 44. Ngayon, 4x is equal to 44. Kailangan natin alisin yung numerical coefficient ng ating x para maalis yan siya. Mag-divide na naman tayo both side ng 4. Okay? Mag-divide tayo ng 4 both side. Okay? So, 4x divided by 4 is equal to 44 divided by 4. So, makakancel na itong 4 over 4 dito sa kabilang side, sa left side. Makakancel yan siya, magiging 1. So, matira lang dyan is x. Dito naman sa right side, 44 divided by 4, kapag i-divide natin yan sila, magiging 11 lang. Okay? So, magiging 11 lang. So, itong x, yan yung edad ni son ngayon. Kung makikita nyo, yan yung edad ni son ngayon. Ang hinahanap natin is kung ano ba yung edad ng months ngayon. Okay? Find the month's age now. So, kung makikita natin, 3x yung kanyang edad. So, gagawin natin yan siya is, i-multiply lang natin sa 3 yung 11. So, 3x, that is 3 multiplied by 11. Kapag i-multiply natin yan sila, magiging 33. Okay. So, ang ating sagot dito is 33. That is letter A. And that's all. Thank you for watching.